Hello, my name is Sachin Purohit, and in this tutorial I will try to explain how to install SafeSquid on Windows. SafeSquid is a filtering internet proxy server software for Windows and Linux. SafeSquid for Windows can be installed on Windows 2000, 2003, 2008, XP, Vista, and Windows 7. To download SafeSquid, go to the SafeSquid website www.safesquid.com. Click on the downloads link. The downloads page has a link for both the free version for Linux and for Windows. Scroll down to the SafeSquid for Windows, Microsoft Windows section. Click on the downloads link to download the software. Save it. Before trying to install SafeSquid, please verify that you do not have any security software like an antivirus that would prevent SafeSquid from making a registry entry. If you have anything installed, then I would suggest that you disable it temporarily, and then you can enable it again when SafeSquid is installed. When the software is downloaded, run it. You would be able to install SafeSquid with the current default setting parameters without making any changes to them, except maybe the part to the log files, etc. I will do this installation without making any changes. The first option here asks whether I would like to just install the SafeSquid and then manually activate the product. You need to activate the product after you have installed it. For a normal installation, the first time installation, you will select the first option. If you are reinstalling, then you might select option number 2 or 3, where you are allowed to enter your activation key. So we will select option 1 and continue with the installation. I will not make any changes to the default parameters. I'll just keep on clicking next and finish the installation. Okay, SafeSquid is installed. We will start SafeSquid. Now, to access the SafeSquid interface, you need to set SafeSquid as proxy in your browser. For example, in Internet Explorer, you would go to Tools, Internet Options, Connections, LAN Settings, and enter the IP of the machine on which SafeSquid is installed. Like if you are trying to access it from another machine. On the same machine, you can either use localhost or the IP of the machine itself. The IP of my machine is 192.168.0.8. SafeSquid by default listens on port 8080. I set this as proxy. Then to access the interface, open this URL safesquid.cfg, and here you are. This is the SafeSquid web GUI. We need to activate the product to be able to use it. To activate the product, click on About. This will show you the activation page. A key is auto-generated. Just accept that key, don't make any changes to it. Enter an email ID. Any email ID will do. submit, and you should get this message saying that the token security token file created successfully. Restart SafeSquid to affect the changes. To restart SafeSquid, you could go to Program, File, SafeSquid, and you'll find something called SafeSquid Service Manager. Just start SafeSquid Service Manager, select Stop SafeSquid Services, Next. SafeSquid Services is stopped. Now to restart SafeSquid, open the Service Manager once again, Next, Start SafeSquid Services, and SafeSquid is restarted. To confirm that the activation has been done, click on the About link once again, and you can see that the product has been activated. Perpetual license never expires. Maximum number of users 3. Product is active. Along with SafeSquid, you also get a 21 days trial to see profiles, which is a real-time website profiler or a URL blacklist provided by SafeSquid. Now to see whether we are able to surf through proxy through SafeSquid, now the proxy is set as SafeSquid. Let's open, say, Google. Okay, I can open Google, and I'm right now surfing through SafeSquid. To confirm, I can visit the view log entries in the interface and see the log entries here. Okay, it says that the Google was requested through SafeSquid. So now you are ready to use SafeSquid and configure it as per your requirements. I'll be adding other tutorials soon that might to explain how you can use SafeSquid to control access to internet based on users, IPs, and also enforce Google safe search, block pornography, etc. etc. Thank you for watching this tutorial.